You ever thought about your posture? As silly as that sounds, our parents have been talking to us about posture for years. So how come we don't talk about it all the time when it comes to what we do? Hi, this is Bill, Creative License. Thanks to my sponsors, of course, the Entertainment Experience, which is entertainment-experience.com, and Electro-Voice speakers, microphones, the best in the world. Be sure to check them out. So anyway, this is Bill. This is Creative License, and today I'm talking about something as simple as posture. Why? Well, have you ever looked at somebody who doesn't have great posture? Somebody who you see walking down the street and they're all hunched over and they're looking kind of sad. It's difficult. It's difficult, isn't it, to smile even when your posture is lacking. And when people have great posture, when they stand straight, okay, I mean, think about it. Stand up absolutely straight. So much so that you feel like that, there's a string pulling you up from the top of your head all the way up, almost as if you have to stand on your toes. The fact that your shoulders are not like this, but they're rolled back a little bit, so your chin comes up, so that you stand a little taller and you smile a little more, because it's difficult to smile when you stand up that straight. You know what it is, really, if you ask me, the reason why there's such a problem with posture nowadays is, well, because of phones. You ever think about that? When was the last time that you walked through a mall and saw everybody like this, head down, playing with their phones? They got their heads down all the time. We're like training ourselves to do this all the time because we're tweeting or we're Facebooking or we're Instagramming or we're checking our texts. We have our phone in one hand at all times, which trains our back, which trains our shoulders, which trains our eyes. So everything about us gets rolled over and tipped down, and our shoulders start to look like this, and the brow furrows up. And what is less attractive? Here, got to bring you back here a little bit. What's less attractive than someone who's dealing with that on a regular basis? I mean, come on. There's a lot of things you can do to be more attractive. And in a business where people want to be attracted to us and find us more attractive, why wouldn't we do something as simple as work on our posture? If you don't know what your posture looks like, I think you should ask somebody who loves you. Ask a wife or a girlfriend. Ask a boyfriend or a family member. Are you standing as straight as you can? I will bet that most of you don't on a regular basis. I'm really cognizant of it, and I don't on a regular basis. So I have to be told, and I have to be reminded of it on a regular basis. So what do? How do you be sure that you keep your posture the way it ought to be? How are you standing tall in the face of a world that doesn't? This is Bill, this is Creative License, and I'll see you next week.